on, baby? It's your girl Joy, and as always, I'm here to give you that vegan good. Okay, on today's episode of Fine Lemon Lime, we're gonna be whipping up a vegan white hot chocolate. Gotta put the whipped cream on there, and of course, all right, we're gonna add that last little bit of fudge drizzle. Tis the season, baby. Let's get this party started. Ooh, that's the one. Hold on. Y'all gotta make this. Let's get this party started. First things first, we're gonna start with 2 cups of good old oat milk. And we just wanna put this on medium heat and get it to kind of simmer a little bit before we put the chocolate chips in. Meanwhile, while we wait, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to add just a pinch of salt, okay, to bring out those flavors. Just a pinch. I'm going to go ahead and give that a whisk. Once your oat milk begins to simmer, we're going to add 1/3 cup of white chocolate chips. As you can see, I got this from Walmart, organic, great value. They got the vegan white chocolate chips. We're going to add that right on in here. And we're going to give that a twirl. We want these chocolate chips to melt down, okay? The white chocolate chips are very sweet, so you don't need that much. But if you want to add more than 1/3 cup, be my guest. That's just why I put.
Like Rihanna said, pour it up. Ooh, watch it all fall down. Let's get into it, guys. And we're going to bring it on home with some coconut whipped cream and some fudge drizzle. Amazing.